Hi friends, good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach EVS Part 1, Standard 4, Lesson number 4, Water safe for drinking. Hmm? In our house, we use many utensils to store a water for drinking. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to save for drinking water in our house in common place. See the page number 20. There is one picture is there. In that picture we see some different types pots are there. In that pot, what we are going to see, what do you see? Sugar, salt, washing soda, alum disappear in the water. They dissolve completely in the water, but sand, sawdust, turmeric powder, oil do not disappear. Even on stirring they do not dissolve. What does this tell us? Some substance dissolve in water, but some substance are not dissolve in water. तो बच्चों, आपको पता होगा पानी में कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे हैं जो पानी में पिघलते हैं और कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे हैं जो पानी में नहीं पिघलते. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर शार्पनर हो या तो इरेजर, ये जो है पानी में नहीं पिघलते, लेकिन शक्कर, नमक, मिट्टी, ये जो चीज़ें हैं ये पानी में पिघलते. इसीलिए हम उसको जो पिघलने वाले हैं उनको डिज़ोल्व इन वाटर, और जो पिघलने वाले नहीं है नॉट डिज़ोल्व इन वाटर. सो the substance that dissolve in water spreads throughout the water. When salt dissolve in water, the water in container taste salty. हाँ, जब भी नमक पानी में पिघलता है तो पानी का टेस्ट बदल जाता है, साल्टी लगता है. When sugar dissolve in water, then the water become a sweet. तो तब पानी में शक्कर जब पिघलता है तो पानी कैसा लगता है? मीठा सा लगता है. See in this picture, one boy is there. He is ill. Why? Some diseases are come from water, you know. That's why if you drink filter water, then is it good for our health? See page number 21. Do you know? See, in this picture they are explain about some are float on the water. Fill a large container with water. From your compass box, a plastic ruler, an eraser, a pencil, a sharpener, a rubber band, the compass. From your house, a steel spoon, a plastic spoon, some groundnut shells, an iron nail, a screw, a coin. From outdoors, stones, little twigs, loose soil. Put these things in the water and see what happen. What do you see? See, the eraser, sharpener, steel spoon, nail, screw, stones, coins, the compass and the soil sink in the water, while the other things float. Some things are sink on water and some are float. What does this tell us? Some things float on water while some things sink in it. The things that float and are lighter than water. The things that sink are heavier than water. See the page number 22. What do you see? Take some muddy water in a big beaker. If you do not find muddy water, then make some by adding some soil, pieces of dry twigs, straw leaves, etc. to water. Now allow this beaker to stand still for 4 or 5 hours. What do you see? तो क्या होगा? The particles of soil sink in water and form a layer or sediment at the bottom, but twigs and other rubbish float on the water. It takes a long time for the sediment to form. What does this tell us? Particles of soil are heavier than water, but because they are very small, they take a long time to settle to the bottom of the water leaves. पानी में जो गंदा पानी अगर रहा तो पानी आपको गंदा दिखता है, लेकिन थोड़ा 1-2 घंटे बाद हम जब एक पॉट में घर में रखते हैं तो 2-4 घंटे के बाद पानी का जो भी गंदा है वो नीचे जाके बैठता है. The process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called a settling. Without disturbing the sediment, pour the water above it into two smaller bakers even though this water appears much cleaner than before. There are still some fine particles of soil and some rubbish floating in it. What do you see? The particles floating in water slowly settle to the bottom and the water in the upper parts become transparent. These twigs and straw still keep floating on the water. Understand? Remaining part I will teach next time. Thank you.